The Urban Cuboid House is a small compact house situated in a suburb of Ahmedabad city, is a mass of various cuboid volumes. In such a small plot of 2800 square feet and also following the margins, it was an interesting challenge to accommodate with all these activities in such a small compact house with comfortable and spacious interiors which reflects the cuboid volumes in the exterior. The house belongs to a joint family of 3 generations. It is designed to reflect the occupant's personality while not losing the sight of the home's overall character and materiality. The elevation limits and divides the vertical massing by staggering the cuboids at various levels such that the constructed area doesn't overpower the plot area. The cantilever cubes give more spaces for interior and making it overlook to the outside. The freestanding carved RCC wall in the front facade helps to maintain privacy along with the appealing greenscape. The mass of various cuboid volumes staggered at various levels, making it self-shading structure. To help shading and privacy, vertical screens are added connecting the floors, and the facade is designed with exposed RCC cladding along with wooden highlights as a response to earthy context. The Urban Cuboid House is a small compact house with comfortable and spacious interiors which reflects the cuboid volumes in the exterior. The elevation limits and divides the vertical massing by staggering the cuboids at various levels such that the constructed area doesn't overpower the plot area. The Urban Cuboid House is a mass of various cuboid volumes that are staggered at various levels, making it an interesting self-shading structure. A spacious vestibule opens to the drawing room, located next to greenscape. It allows ample of natural light with a set of contemporary furniture and lighting elements, having stone-cladded wall as a background, giving earthy effect. The dining and kitchen are placed next to each other along with triple height puja room and transitional area. This triple height acts as a light shaft, keeping the house full of light throughout the daytime. Parents' bedroom on ground floor is designed having visual connection to the entrance and the other common activities. The staircase and lift acts as vertical transition to all the floors. The first floor passage connects to 3 bedrooms and overlooks the triple height light shaft above the puja room. Balancing the velvety touch of blue with the subtlety of solid wood and neutral tones makes an interesting color palette for master bedroom, and a balcony overlooking towards entrance gives a refreshing relation with the nature. The second floor has 1 guest bedroom, a home theater, jacuzzi, a multi-purpose room and open terrace garden. Multi-purpose room opens to the terrace garden. Beautiful outdoor furniture and mild lighting and plants gives perfect ambience at night. The Urban Cuboid House is a small compact house with comfortable and spacious interiors which reflects the cuboid volumes in the exterior.